Disclaimer. The information provided in this content is for general informational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional advice or medical treatment. It is important to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any decisions regarding your health. Welcome to Wikiaware, your reliable source for health tips and advice. Today, we're going to talk about a topic of particular importance to men: how to shrink your prostate with these 7 superfoods. Have you been experiencing discomfort due to an enlarged prostate? If so, you're not alone. Many men over the age of 50 deal with this common issue. But don't worry, there's good news. Certain superfoods can help shrink your prostate and alleviate discomfort. The first superfood on our list is tomatoes. Packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, tomatoes can reduce inflammation and promote a healthy prostate. Include them in your salads, pasta, or even drink it as juice. Secondly, we have broccoli. This green gem is rich in sulforaphane, a compound known to target and kill cancer cells while leaving the healthy cells unharmed. Make sure to steam it lightly to retain its nutrients. Next up is pomegranate juice. A reservoir of antioxidants, it helps to reduce prostate-specific antigens in your blood, reducing the risk of prostate cancer. Swap your morning coffee for a glass of this tangy juice. The fourth superfood is pumpkin seeds. They contain beta-sitosterol, a compound known to improve urinary flow and decrease inflammation. Munch them as a snack or sprinkle over your morning cereal. Next is salmon, a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are vital for maintaining overall health, including that of your prostate. Grill or bake it, but avoid frying to keep the nutrients intact. The sixth superfood is green tea. It is packed with catechins, antioxidants that can hinder cancer cell growth. Swap your afternoon beverage with a warm cup of this invigorating drink. Lastly, we have turmeric. Packed with curcumin, it has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Add it to your meals for a flavor and health boost. Remember, incorporating these superfoods into your diet can greatly benefit your prostate health. However, they are not a definitive cure for an enlarged prostate or prostate cancer. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized medical advice. While diet plays a big role, don't forget about the importance of regular exercise and healthy lifestyle habits. They can significantly lower your risk of prostate problems. Join us in the next video where we'll reveal more superfoods that can boost your overall health. With consistent effort, you can take control of your prostate health and improve your quality of life. Thank you for watching Wikiaware. We strive to provide you with reliable health information to help you live a healthier and happier life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Take charge of your health today. Remember, your health is in your hands. So, start adding these superfoods to your diet, and let's achieve a healthier prostate together. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you in our next video. Until then, goodbye from the Wikiaware team.